Hey everyone, Xander here from Open Throttle. Now today we have this G82 M4 Competition with these plain white DRLs, which we're going to be upgrading today with our RGB DRL kit. So let's get into the install.
I CBA, so I'm not even talking. You want my ETA, I ain't left just yet, I'm stalling. Still gonna come through, shake that back, still gonna eat me up like Marlins. I just get paid, I'm boring. Nowadays I shoot, I'm scoring. How I'm feeling, this one onto me and bro, so we might as well tag team it. Respectfully pass then leave it. Give me the bread, I'm feeling. I'm on the low though like YOLO.
Alright, we have now completed the install of the RGB DRL kit, and look how amazing it looks. The colors are super bright, they change really well, there's no lag, they look amazing, and you have the freedom through the app to control it and change it to whatever color you want. So depending on how you're feeling, maybe you want to try pink or blue or yellow. So if you guys think that you might like this on your car, you can head over to our website and pick up your kit today.
I CBA, so I'm not even talking.